In today's video, I'm actually be showing you a brand new money-making website that has just recently came out. This is done by the developers of Random Satoshi, and you can see my payment proof from Random Satoshi just a couple of days ago right here. So now let's get started with this brand new website by them. This is going to be a really quick video. I just want to show you that this is the brand new website, a brand new get paid, and this is done by the developers of Random Satoshi. This website is called Hot Crypto, and it is a really simple and easy way to start to make money right now. And again, this is a brand new site, so let's click right here to see if it's going to lead us back to the dashboard, which it does. And you can see all of this information right here. Look how much users are barely on this platform, 573. So look at this, guys, 178 withdrawals already, and it's paid to users around 0.0073 Bitcoin. So this is a really brand new site that you need to get started right now, and I'm going to show you how you can start to earn passively and how you can start to earn some more crypto within this site. So look at this. So we have level ups +1. Hot Cryptos allows you to level up as you earn. Each level gets you more blaze. More max level isn't the end thanks to Reignite. This is a new play thing. So this site is getting really interesting because it is done by Random Satoshi, and Random Satoshi has been around for quite some time and have withdrawn a lot of crypto from them. So Reignite, round 2 Reignite lets you progress more by going back to level 1, giving you a higher multiplier and special rewards as you level up again. So look how interesting that is. Let's go to my dashboard so I can show you inside of this platform right now. So you can see I barely started. I actually just signed up like an hour ago, so let me show you that right here. So let's go to accounts real quick so I can show you inside of my account and show you when I have signed up for this website. So you can see I joined around 1 hour and 29 minutes ago. So guys, I'm going to leave the link to this website down below so you can get started right now, but keep watching this video so you know how to earn cryptocurrency passively and actively. And look at these events that they're having. So by the time you guys see this video, this one is going to be over. They're going to give us a 20% more of whatever we earn in Blaze. So I have to actually withdraw my Blaze within the next 2 hours so I can actually get 20% more. So it says a multiplier event has started. During this event, all Blaze you earn is multiplied by 20%. Multipliers only last for a limited time, so use them well. Ends in 2 hours and 8 minutes. So you can see that right there. But guys, by the time I actually upload this video, you're going to be able to do this, and you're only going to have like around 2 days or a day to do so. So it says Scorching Hourglass. The Scorching Hourglass has been a set a blaze. Earn as much blaze as you can to get help from the multiplier to the next stage. Work together with other users to increase the multiplier before the cooldown begins. So look at that right there. Now if we come down just a tiny bit, you can go to the announcements and you can read up about this as well. It's just telling you that they have released this website. So let's go down right here where it says Meet Blaze. Blaze is at the core of Hot Crypto. When earning with us, you don't directly earn cryptocurrencies, you earn our internal coin, which brings consistency, simplicity, and control to you. It brings the benefit to having one balance and ability for us to easily apply multipliers and track your earnings for events and other statistics, and allowing you to spend your Blaze on other things in the future. So look at this. It says earn Blaze. We have short links. I already completed some of these, so you can see I completed these. I completed around 3 or 4. I think it just actually refreshed those, but I already completed some of these and I already earned around up to 400 Blaze. So if we go over to the mining, I have already mined it over 40,000 hashes, which is really easy. So you can see 4,000 right there, but I just converted this over to more Blaze, and I only been on this website for, let's say, an hour. It says an hour and 30 minutes, and I already got around 2-3 Blaze from doing this. Now there is a way to get 20 times more Blaze from this actual mining thing, and that is going through the desktop miner and the command line. So if we go to desktop miner, you can see this information down here, guys, and start to read about it. Or if you come over here to the web miner, it's going to tell you inside of here too. So if you want to start to mine from your web browser, so this can be done on your mobile device, on your laptops, desktops, any devices, and you can get the link down below to actually mine on different platforms at the same time. So you can see right here it says the browse miner is an easy way to mine a few hashes and get some blaze. So simply just click on this right here. So if we just click on, let's say 6 and start miner, you're going to see this go running like crazy in a couple of seconds. So look at this right there, 16, 22, 30. So you can see how quick that is just going up. And if I go all the way to the 8, it's just going to skyrocket faster and faster as time goes on, guys. And you can see the hashes per bit. So this is per blaze is going to be 23,169, which took me less than an hour, less than, let's say, 30 minutes to actually get to that number. So this is a really profitable way to start making money with this new website run by Random Satoshi. You can also earn more, right? So it says tip, try desktop mining. It has a 4 times higher conversion rate, so you're gonna get 4 times the hash rates inside of these this one right here, this desktop miner. And all you have to do is download it on your Windows, or I think it's Mac OS as well, and start to earn on those 2 platforms, or those 2 desktops or laptops and start to make money on that. You can even publish, so you can actually have a piece of script inside of your website and start to earn money whenever people come inside of your website, and it's going to earn you some passive income from that, guys. So that's a really interesting way to earn as well. And all you have to do is come over here to the accounts real quick, go over to accounts, and then once you have clicked inside of your accounts, you can come down here and where it says settings, click auto bank pending hashes. This is going to allow you to auto bank any pending hashes that you have for mining, and that is done down here, guys. So once you start mining, it's going to auto bank it. So you can see that right here, bank hashes, bank your pending hashes 5,158 for a total of 19,642 hashes. So that is really interesting tip. Enable auto bank in your settings to always be eligible for events and automatically get your hashes multiplied during events. So this is like a passive way to earn within this website that is brand new, and all you have to do is click the link down below, sign up, get started mining, get started doing the short links and even offers, guys. I don't personally do the offer walls myself unless they actually have Hideout TV, which I'm pretty sure they're actually going to implement that pretty soon, or if not, if it's not in one of these. So we have 3 different ways to earn: short links, minings, and offers. I've been doing the mining and short links for just a couple of minutes pretty much, and I'm already eligible for this multiplier event. You're eligible for this event. Any blaze or XP earned by multiplied by the event, make sure you withdraw before the event. If you withdraw too late, we will not be able to get your bonus on your hashes. So need to get started right away, guys. Again, this is not going to be for you. This one will be available for you guys because it's going to be available in the next 3 days to actually get eligible for that. But make sure you have your accounts in order and that one thing activated that I just showed you just now. And let's start to build this new website that is run by Random Satoshi. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to comment down below. If you guys have any questions, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.